because say yes I did the man will be a case go through competitive tendering na ebeche muntio ye aban kwato toilet roll kram po ka say competitive tendering na ebeche etiam fan ko so sourcing what you say na so sourcing kwat me di bia boso me eye dey pa na be dey within 7 days such a technical assessment 7 days yes ya wie na dey obi atwa 93% hooray media kojo Obampenyi Mahama say ono opese wo de magana ni maka me metima bi adwuma ma fa Ghana for miensa eno mo ye adwuma kwaku afa Ghana for enkono mo ye adwuma wo so afa edu we so afa sini a ebeboa how much mo obi so no so fa nipa bebiri etimi have nothing against EMP
abusian for me ma munyina akwa abasronko de mobile Raz Media so video we agutie Gordon Asare Bediako. He is explaining something very critical. Abusian for ensema ekoso ewo Ibrahim Mahama ni company EMP. Awo makwaji go face mining site omo na obe mine no. Ensem wo achire pa na simunyi na mbeka ya answer na yewura Mahama ba bedi president no da bi oka asembi. Osi Akufo-Addo ese oye too old to steal. Na sa asem na Nado kaye no oboa odi ni wianom gabinom ene be wia se de be na Nado free aban mu na okofie pensioner sebi o obedi pensioner mu ehwam ene de na ekoso Ibrahim Mahama agigana ajapade nyina ye bisa se eno no ade na yewura Mahama eka no eno ena o practice ana ensem we na yewura journalist, the top journalist, the incoming communication director for the MPP, Gordon Asare Bediako, Ekotra Kesben FM, and Obisha say a coincidence, say a banner saying all of a sudden. As soon as Mahama became president, everything is happening good for Ibrahim Mahama. Yembo mura mnenko te video no, and some na betans na bekono. Like a video no, na share, subscribe to the channel. Hambeka abusiankuo kese no eho.
Me da yamia se say wa fe de waja to mu say ya bie tender under President Mahama and the new Ibrahim Mahama company EMP awini.
Me kan he fa say ya bie tender under President Mahama.
You be a tender, also a gun and me. Now you want to be a tender. It's your time I be a now. What money we it's a bit under bay. You better under bay. See a beer not a beer. So just take to it. What was it? My main cousin be conflict of interest. And your MP for the debate, I see. And your this for the debate, I see. Mra ewo conflict of interest ewo but me say me person me conflict of interest no mu kese because say be period as obi nua obi ya adwuma na say ni nua be president doesn't mean say ni nua no e dey so otimi ye bibia na adwuma no ye dada na eti ho no ya na eye bit eye kakaka slippery wa anya careful you may get it wrong it mean person mechanic kese kakra mechanic eba na President Mahama ewo position 2016 o kan Ghana ha nyina say na Akufo-Addo ade konti o yakukuduru ka say wonye corrupt wonye corruption dani ade nyina ne say wo anuanom ebobo omudin ya o mbe wia aban japade e de ama na Akufo-Addo na wokọ ahomegye mu a wakodi President Mahama ne kan yo eti say me betre busa President Mahama say wonu so ni nua ni Ibrahim Mahama President Mahama ebe call retirement still kwa no 70 years as I say he still be a young man always be his capa wo friends retirement mo eti adi to ashada no di yina mines no edamani nua na so call retirement wetima kudi ana can anybody say EMP or company there but a conduit and no more use one will he be happy with that thing you can't any beji so tibu bo President Akufo-Addo nua no mudi ebobo mudi yo so on be wi aban sika abaja pade de ama no na wo so say wa na ewi ama wo ba Sharaf young man o tibi kofa Anthony Joshua efi UK eba Ghana
Utriko Anthony Joshua, every UK bagana, with entourage of about 10. Obiate first class. Scargofano hefa. Can anybody say that boxing company na Sarah for running a 1 hour money running my one? Oh, your phones are not washer with you. Could you have a young quasim no more? Yamushi 17th March 2026. Reuters, a international media house, a publicity, a quote to National Minerals Commission, CEO, say, Oma be a tender. Reuters, I have the story. 17th March, a quote to CEO of Minerals Commission, say, Oma be a tender. Ebo companies are my BDB. Say ye Dama Mines ye a strategic investor. 17th March. Now comes 24th March 2026. Lands and Natural Resources Minister Ama Kofi Bua Abekana Bonte say afed ye be a tender. Me what tender document ni bi me will be dated 24th March. Closing date 31st March. It's tender the mood hin. There in no cray. There in no crowd tender no. It's tender no omu be back or there mansa. As omu be back one bontiana. Kodo da make about you follow. Minerals Commission CEO. Any Reuters for the Como 17th March say you be a tender. Me what tender document now officially about Bontino. A dated 24th March 2026. 2026. 17th March 2026. A CEO of Minerals Commission say you be a tender. Abo companies now ma bidding. Now comes 24th March 2026. Minerals Commission, last minister, Abba Bonte, Abbe Kasa. We no more publish tender documents. No, me will be
17 na EMP mi mana.
Na EMP, meba EMP. Ni na wom. Eti no 17th March there no, and the 24th March there no. Which is which?
17th there, Papa.
Yeah, because how you are wrong. Because minister and I publish it no there. Minister now publish it there 24th March. And I 24th March they on publish it. Then 7 days later, you say your market exams no as a year so should be you know. EMP na at the first 93%, no problem. Na se say na a tender process na timi cost swift dia. And yen bibia enko say yai. Adenti de kase kweso sourcing because say you say adebe de ma wo be kase go through competitive tendering na ebeche munti o. Ye abai kwato toilet roll kura mpo ka say competitive tendering na ebeche etiam fa nko so sourcing what you say na so sourcing kwatimi di bia boso me eye dey pa na be within 7 days such a technical assessment 7 days yes ya wie na di obi atwa 93% hooray me de kojo Obampanyi Mahama say ono opese wo de magana ni maka me metima bi adwuma ma fa Ghana for miensa eno mo ye adwuma kwaku afa Ghana for enkono mo ye adwuma wo so afa edu we so afa sini a ebeboa how much more obi so no so fa nipa bebri it me have nothing against EMP, I have nothing against Ibrahim Mahama, but if it must be done, it must be done well. I think say Ibrahim Mahama ankasa EMP o mamwa o mo. Before the tender was even open, Ibrahim Mahama assessed the machines at the Akogu Dama mines. Let's not forget EMP
no oye ejuma o de.
Meba Deputy Mission me pacho hwe me say tie Rafik Adam be ready wa Adam tie Rafik moko kasara tie
machine say o na ye EMP bia
Deputy
machine for ko ka ho a
Dabi tie hwe machines na wo de ekolo machines Rafik Mahama woye PA to Ibrahim Mahama
woye opposition ben Rafik
one person assistant to friend say
EMP different from Ibrahim Mahama
eti
ono no sabe
what pictures pictures in the videos of movement of the machinery and was say
na wakasa wasa ka so wakasa no oye din to the machinery
e wo no tie obi a wo ya contractor you don't invest in something no ono a wo no mining company ne dia no ono was be ye we mame by Rafik Mahama Troy pictures videos in now ho I say EMP is ready to invest so and so amount of money in diamond mines 1.2 billion. Why we are subject to contractor you are going to invest. Please stop it. Stop it. My body position. One just the what they are careless. Messi Rafik Mahama. One day special assistant to Ibrahim Mahama. Nina hini eba yehu yehu. Ebra President Mahama elusu nyine elusu election 2016. Around 14th December 2016. And na President Mahama ye signing document in the man Ibrahim Mahama say onko fa nyina hini. MPP ba yehu dia course so Assembly Court Supreme Court ya jade no ka say processes no o man fa mu ye.
Okay.
Say Ibrahim Mahama person ye na adwuma na that bibia so santo no a o make on relax.
Okay.
Na omunya de no boko because hey minia health hotel ekotire battery EMP na de be man. We knew or we nim say beba. If it must be done to obo so munye ye ma kama na that bi no won kunya asem.
Okay.
But dia kwai die say 17th March ya now so say ya be tender 17th March 2026.
That's the Reuters one.
Reuters one. Yes, you mu quote Minerals Commission CEO ya board companies. Then a week later last minister comes to announce say ya be tender. One also tender document no date also 24th March.
So in my hands is the tender. I have the document also here. I wanted to do a double check of the dates that you were talking about. So me check here and oko page 2 of the document. It is signed by Honorable Emmanuel Amakufibwa MP, Honorable Minister, 24th March 2026. That is what is there.
Yes, and friend is saying Reuters there no met me puli amos here. Reuters there no headline you Ghana waste local base for 1 billion revival of Goldfields diamond mine March 17th 2026. What's say Ghana is assessing 3 bids from local investors to take over Goldfields diamond gold mine, which requires up to $1 billion of investment to revive. The money regulator told Reuters nearly a year after the government seized control of the assets. Ghana, which is seeking to straight away. Was say Isaac Tando, Isaac Tando, acting head of the Minerals Commission, Ghana's money regulator, told Reuters on Monday that Goldfields diamond lease expires 18 will not be renewed. And money contractors, engineers and planners and BCM International and consortium, Vortex Resources have applied to own the mine, Tando said, and the regulator was assessing which bidder could meet its challenges.
What God didn't want to tell you, you know, say, Sir, the my mansa, Ekita Ibrahim Mahama, and then said you that John Mahama, Nibri be a trim. Nanka, or in a hit box at the money we know. Not another buy your beji, yeah. A man nam so, am I in ya interchange with Tamale, any other interchanges across the country, no. And the same thing and Mahama person because of person on making sure say na busu Mahama no a dear friend no here it be more bomuda or na abusu temi Godfrey down on the man a mine hodada for years and then ye be ma to say the contract a man for yeah, the contract by money path, the contract by my company from an year Juma or ho. That's it. God fed say or Stella or by Juma or ha. TNT to me basse. Go first and no year Juma hoda da. Or when the machines when the PPR. Ibrahim have no year Juma on any piano can a contract any agreement or Marco Pipes PPR. Here to make us or non qualify. But to be on one casan shed that my name da. Namum or yeah, Juma mining companies mum na qualify. A sensible Hey, I said, Raz Media GH. My crowd. Like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel.